In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get access codes, invite codes to Sora 2. I'll also be sharing you some invite code that you can use to get access to the Sora 2. The access code is currently limited, so I'll be showing you, and I will also be giving you some free access codes that you can get to access the Sora 2. I'll also be showing you how you can sign up for the Sora 2 no matter the country you are located. So this is only available for US and Canada. I'll be showing you how you can join this Sora 2 program even though you're not based in the United States or in Canada. So if you find this video interesting or informative, please do well to like, comment and subscribe. And as I show you all that there is to know about Sora 2, let's dive in. Okay, the most common way to get this code is using the Discord server by OpenAI. So Sora 2 is by OpenAI, the people that created ChatGPT. They are also the persons or the people that created this Sora 2. So it's a video creation platform. To do that, just click on add the server and click on join the server. So the invite link to join this server by OpenAI is discord.com/invite/OpenAI. So put this invite code in invite link on this space and you'll be able to join the server. So that's how you join the OpenAI server. So it's very easy and simple. So if you join, you'll be prompted to do all of these things. You're prompted to get started, verify yourself, update yourself, and also you'll be prompted to link your OpenAI account to your Discord server, to this Discord account. So my account is currently linked. So you can also invite friends if you want to. So you can just invite your friends to this place, your friends on Discord, so they can join the server and also try to get the code. So that's how you join. So you'll be prompted to link your server to your OpenAI account. So I've already done the verification and I've already linked it. So, but you'll be prompted to do that. So immediately after you've linked your account, you have to come back to the channel, and that's the OpenAI channel now. You go to in this OpenAI channel, there are different channel accounts that's been created. So for us, we want to go to this Sora 2 codes. That's where you can find different people posting codes. People will be sending codes that you can always use to log in to create an account. But I also have codes that I will share with you during this video. But in case if you're able to, or you're not lucky to be the first people to get that code, you can also come to this place. There are countless number of codes available here that you can always use. I'll be also creating an account from codes here that are available here, so you can see that some of these are real, some of these codes are fake. So you just have to keep on trying and see which one works for you, which one is real and which one is fake. So some of these codes, they are real, some are fake. So at every second, codes are being sent into this place. So you just have to be fast about it, because each code, yes, the maximum number of people they can invite is 6 people, and you have thousands of people in the server. So you can also see some reels, some Sora reels on this server. So some people also send their reels to this place. So you can see the reels by these people on this server. Yeah, the reels is also there, so you can download any of these reels. Then you can also go to the discuss. Yeah, so you can discuss about Sora 2 and every other thing that if you have a problem with it, if you have something you want to tell people, this is a platform you can do that. Then also there's a platform called challenges, Sora challenges. So OpenAI do Sora challenges that you can do, and with these challenges you will be able to either gain different things. You can gain a month subscription to ChatGPT, to OpenAI. That's a pro account. So these are all the rewards that you can get. So you can see, you can read through these challenges. You can see how to enter, create your Luna secrets using Sora, upload it to, that's the submission account. There's a submission account there. The server staff team will pick the most legendary entry. So at a regular interval, these challenges also they are there. So you can use these challenges and get the Sora, the OpenAI ChatGPT Pro for 1 month. That's the price for that. So ChatGPT, the Pro version is a very lovely price that you can get, and also make use of a feature that's available for you as a Pro version. So let's create an account. To create an account on this Sora ChatGPT, ensure that you've used a platform where your OpenAI is already logged in. So you go to sora.chatgpt.com/onboarding. The link will also be in the description. Yeah, so that's it. Go to sora.chatgpt.com/onboarding. The link also will be in the description so you can join. So you'll be prompted to fill out your details, your date of birth. So fill your date of birth and also choose a username. The username should have at least 3 characters, and also it should be something that has not been picked before. So it should be a new username that people have not picked, and it should be at more than 3 characters. So let's say I want to use Everything AI as my own username. Everything AI. Let's click on next. Okay, this username is already taken. So I can modify this and say I want to use Everything AI today, and that will be my username. So click on next. And with that, I've been able to create my username. My username has been created. Yeah, so I've created my username. The account is being created now. So now I've been brought to the Sora platform. This is the Sora platform. I'm trying they're trying to log me in on the account now. See, everybody has access to the Sora 1. That's the first Sora that came out. Yeah. But to get access to Sora 2, you need an invite code. You can stay on the old Sora, or you can enter the new Sora, and that requires an invite code. So this is the Sora 2, and this is the more improved version. So what I'll be doing here is to go live on the Discord server and try to get as much code as possible and test them live so you can see the process. I'll be using my phone to get the codes. Yeah, you can also do same so that you'll be able to easily get code as they are posted. Ensure that you go to the new ones. This one is invalid now, so don't try others as well. Except you just try to get the new ones that have been posted and try as many as possible, and eventually you get the one that will work for you. And please don't DM anybody. Some people are trying to sell. Some people are trying to get money from people to give them this code. Please don't DM anybody. Just stay on that place and try as much as you can to test as much code that has been sent into that place, and be very fast with it, because each code, we have just 6 persons that can use each code. So this is the different codes I'm trying to test now. As I speak, these codes have been sent into the Discord server. So okay, so this one is also not correct. So let's try others as well. Let's see if we can be able to get this code and join this invite code. This is Sora 2 platform. So this is it. This is a Sora. This is the new one that was sent recently. Let's just try as much as possible. Let's see if we can join. So this is it. You are doing it real time, real life, and you can see this is how you might be lucky and the first one you try will just go through, or you might be like me and try like 10 or 15 before you get the correct invite code that will work for you. So just try to do that. And note, for this to work with you, for this to work for you, you need to have for those people that not in the US or in Canada, you need to have a VPN. Yeah, because it's not available for you in your country. So you need to be connected to a VPN. Yeah, so you need to use a VPN and connected to a VPN to ensure that you are able to access this. So your VPN should turn on, and set your VPN to either United States or Canada, and you try this. So I think this should work. So I think this is going to work now. Yeah. So this is it. So the only barrier of entry that we'll be experiencing before will be because we're not from the United States, we may not be able to access the sites. But because we are using VPN and our VPN is sent to Canada or the United States, that barrier has been removed. So the thing that you need to do is to download the VPN, go to your browser, look for a good VPN and download it. And also note that this app is only available for your iOS devices, currently not available for Android, but you can use your web browser to do that. So the app is only available on iOS for now, but you can use your browser to get to this place. So these are different reels that has been created on Sora. So what Sora is trying to do is to be like a AI platform where people can easily scroll through and see different type of content, just like your TikTok. You can follow people. You can see this is a creator you can follow. Some are verified, some are not verified. So it's like a platform. Yeah, look at my now. This is my username. The camels, the likes, the remix, the followers. So it's just like your TikTok account. Yeah, so you can update your bio and everything. So it's like a TikTok account, but with AI content. Yeah, so this is what Sora is trying to do, trying to compete with the likes of TikTok, the like of Reels by Instagram. So this is what they're trying to do. So that's the person code I use. That's why I'm following that person. So you can find people and follow them if you want to. So you can go to the home page. This is the home page now. And in the home page, you find different Reels. I'm calling them Reels now, but there are videos created with Sora. So these are videos created with Sora. So if you want to create a video, you can describe your video in this link that's below. So you probably want to use this character, this cameos. Yeah, so you can add yours, but I don't want to do that now because that requires setting up some things which is not part of this video. So let's just say we want to use Thomas as a cameo. Let's set Thomas as a pilot. Thomas as a pilot. Buying pizza or burger. Let's say burger. In McDonald's or Mac. Okay. So probably this is the prompt we want to use. So let's just check out. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough. So you can see, you click on that icon and you'll be added to the queue. So when I will be added to queue, you can go back to your own home page and you'll see it will be on draft. So Sora will try to process this video for us, create it as fast as possible. Yeah, you just have to give it some time, some minutes to be able to create it. So that's what Sora will do for us. So that's the draft. So from here you can download it, you can post it on this platform as well if you don't want to, because it's on draft now because I've not posted it. Yeah, so this platform allows you to post it as well. So you can post your platform here. So let's go to my dashboard now and let's invite friends. So this is where you can get my code for accessing this Sora platform. So this is the code 66QTBZ. So that's the code. So with this code you can access Sora 2 with this code. Just 6 people will be able to access with this code, but I've shown you how you can get a code that you can also use. Yeah, so ensure you follow me and ensure you subscribe to this video and like this video if you're getting any form of value from this video at all. So let's just wait for the draft to completely be created, for the video to be completely created. Waiting for the video to be completely created. So with a little amount of time, this video will be created and we can then access it, create a caption, just like you're uploading on those TikTok or your Instagram. Create a caption. If you want to tag people, you can tag them as well. So that's just basically everything. So you can come to your cameos and set up your cameos. You can use other people's picture, but they need to approve it. Yeah, so some cameos can be stopped, will not be accepted. Yeah, but you can also download them, but posting them on the platform will be accepted. So See the draft featuring your cameo. That's the one we're working on now. So it's not yet fully created. So the server is probably crowded at this time. So let's just try as much as we can to wait a little bit for it to completely create the video. Yeah, so if there's any type of video you want to also see, you want to see on this channel, please do well to let me know in the comments below, and I will try as much as I can to create a video on that, so you'll be educated about how to go about whatever you want me to do, or whatever you want to teach you on. So this is just basically it. This is basically how you can go about everything. So let's wait a while for this to come. Yeah, so this has been created. We've successfully created the video. Yeah, the video has been created now by Sora 2. Sora 2, remember I said this ChatGPT platform is on draft because I have not posted it. So this is the video. This is it. This is the video. Yeah, so if you want to post it, you can see even the cameos that I use, the person's account is tagged. Yeah, person's account is tagged on this on the account is tagged. So it's on draft now. So if you want to post it, let's say you want to post it, you can click on it. Yeah, so you can see we prompted to post the video we just created with Sora on this platform as well. You can see as a pilot by any blogger. So you can edit it if you want to, you can delete it if you want to, you can edit it if you want to. But let's just post this. Let's just post it. Now this video we just created will be posted and other people can see it as well. Now it's not in our draft anymore. It's been moved to post. Now it's on post. Yeah, so that's it. That's basically how you can create this. So if you've enjoyed this video and you've gained value from this video, please do well to like and comment and subscribe. Also and also let me know what you want. So you can download this video as well. You can share it, download it, remix it, reply and like. Let's like it. So you can download it on your phone. You can say share, download. If you want to download on your phone, on your PC, or your laptop. So no matter where, you can download this. So that's just basically it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do well to give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.